Hello everyone, hope you and your family are safe and practicing physical and social distancing where possible. As some of you are aware, there is a shortage of masks in the United States, and the US government is trying to make masks available for the hospitals and the healthcare providers who are in direct contact with the patients. So CDC from the US government has provided some resources to the public, so essential businesses like us can use other means in protecting our loved ones, colleagues, friends, and in both in workplaces as well as in public areas. So today I want to share a video clip that was presented by Dr. Jerome Adams, who is the US Surgeon General. The US Surgeon General is the topmost position you can have as a doctor in the US government. And he's going to show you how to make your own mask.
Here's how you can make your own face covering in a few easy steps with items you can find around the house, like an old scarf, a bandana or a hand towel, or you can make a face covering out of an old t-shirt. Fold it to the middle from the bottom, fold it to the middle from the top, fold it again to the middle from the bottom, and again from the top, and then 2 rubber bands, one on one side and one on the other side. Then you fold either side to the middle and you have yourself cloth face covering. It's that easy.
Okay, so now you saw how the mask is made, and I have my daughter who is 11 years old and who will be making this mask with the resources we have at home, and let's see how that goes.
Hi there, I'm going to make a mask of my own according to Dr. Jerome Adams with my bandana and things I have at home. Let's see how it goes. There you go.
It's so simple, even a young child can make this mask, and hope you can start making your own mask. And please make sure you wash your mask every day when you get back home before placing them anywhere in your house.